And welcome into Tommy Bites Homestead, where you're gonna get gardening, homesteading, life skills. We just gonna become more self-reliant over here as the year goes on. We kind of got away from me showing it to you, but I was still doing it. Sorry, my daughter is acting a fool on her phone. And yeah, it's real life over here. So realistic life, we're gonna get to cooking. Let's get to it.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like
Here.
this.
So I forgot that I had no flour in here, which this is just a regular all-purpose flour. I keep my bread flour separate. Well, really the better brand, the White Lily. I keep it separate. But this flour in this bag has been in the freezer for 2 weeks probably. I forgot about it. I went to go put the vegetables that I put in a bag in the freezer because I will be using that in the garden. As you can see, it doesn't freeze your flour. It just makes sure that any weevils that might have gotten into the flour during processing, the little, black bugs, is not in there and that they're dead, if they are in there. So we are full again on our flour. Ooh, that wind is crazy. Okay, so now we've cooked down. Okay. Let's see if the meat is tender enough to go into the cabbage though. And I need it to be falling off the bone. If it's not falling off the bone, then it needs to cook a little bit more like that. So today I'm using my camping stove. Okay. Now we have that going. We're going to add our Dutch oven to it and add the milk. And I wish I had remembered the whipping cream when I was in the store, but we're gonna add our milk and start adding our cheeses. Okay, so whatever cheese you decide to use is up to you. You need to add 1 cup of whatever cheese you use. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Make sure it's down low. Oh, hold on. Okay, so in your crock pot, you want to spray it really good. And if you have a crock pot cover, you can use that. I need some. Definitely need some. If you do this, I recommend you cook the noodles first because it takes longer this way. Don't do what I did. Okay, I gotta get this out. Now, get this stirred around. Make sure you cover the pasta all the way. So I had it on high and now I'm going to put it on low because you want to let this cook for maybe an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Just keep checking it. We're going to add our seasonings once I make sure that all of the noodles are covered. Now I've never done a crock pot macaroni and cheese. So I don't know how this is trial and error, I guess. We're gonna see how it come out. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, 20 centuries, cream, add more milk to this because it's too thick. Go ahead and do so now before the pasta starts cooking, which I am going to do. This is no egg being added. A little bit more Parmesan. Once this cooks to the point where your noodles are the consistency they need to be, probably gonna add some more milk too, y'all. You're gonna add cheese to the top, and you're gonna add your smoked paprika. That's gonna give it that brown look as well. We're gonna put the lid on and let this cook for 145 to 2 hours, okay? So guys, the mac and cheese is done. I couldn't find my top to my crock pot, so I had to use aluminum foil, but nonetheless, this thing came out great. I think I cooked it for an hour and 30 minutes on low. As you can see, it is looking real good. So let's go ahead and plate some of it up. Hold on, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Oh, and the cabbage is done also, but well. this. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my. Noodles are good. I think I could save myself some time though if I ever have to do it this way again and just cook the noodles first so they don't have to be in the crock pot but for long.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you. Let me